Hey everybody, Tom Townsend with Townsend Realty Group. Hey, we're about ready to start our open house. This is one of the houses that we have on the market at 1106 Fieldstone Drive. This is in Fieldstone subdivision in Canton, Georgia. Let's go check this property out. Gorgeous home. Sellers have really taken care of this one. You're going to really enjoy some of the features in this one. So hang tight, we'll get started. All right, we're going to walk up here. I believe they just redid this whole deck, so it's almost a brand new deck. Painted and nice. And of course the weather always helps with an open house when you have a gorgeous day like we have today. Notice how all the fixtures have all been updated and painted. New light fixtures, new plumbing fixtures. Paint's been all updated. Now this is really neat. As you walk in here, this is obviously going to be the den and the new remodeled kitchen. So what these folks did, I believe they removed a wall and then took this area down to the studs and pretty much rebuilt the kitchen. Double ovens, all KitchenAid, high grade double ovens. Everything's been updated, the flooring's been updated and replaced. And as we walk out here, you've got a neat sunroom. All right, and then we're going to move on down. Then they also have a nice dining room right off the kitchen area. They also put new windows in this home as well. So they all have these new, the vinyl windows, which are great for the insulation and energy conserving windows. And then we have new carpeting going on the way up. And then we have the master. A laundry room. That washer and dryer are actually staying with this home. All right, let's head back downstairs. All right, obviously we're on the lowest level in the basement. This is the garage, the 2-stall garage. Lots of room. And then you've got tons of storage as you come through here as well. All right, well, we hope you enjoyed the tour of this open house that we're having. Just a couple things in mind. This is a 20-year-old home. Great case study for those that are getting ready to sell your house. This is what you're trying to do. You're trying to update it, replace those light fixtures, plumbing fixtures, get the paint done, put new flooring in. It's going to make a huge difference with how the house shows. We've had quite a few folks actually walk through this home already, and all of the feedback has been really positive. They're really encouraged with all the updates that the homeowners have done to this. So anyways, hope everybody's having a good one. This is 1106 Fieldstone Drive in Canton, Georgia. If you're interested in it, reach out to us ASAP. This one's not going to last very long. But more importantly, take note of how this house looks and what they did in order to get it ready for market. Make sure you give us a thumbs up if you thought this was helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hope everybody's having a good one. Thanks.